Hey guys, OT Sports Cards here, Dominion number 184. Alright, last team, the Jets, ended March 5th, 2014. Serial number 206678719. Let's see, number on the box. 206678719. Alright, good luck to everyone. I know the guy with the Ducks really wants a Solani. This could be a booklet pack. Let's see. Yep, we got a book. Alright. Let's see. I think this is the top. Alright, we got Patrick Elias, 123 out of 299 base for the Devils. Pretty nice hit for the Oilers. Justin Schultz, complete rookies, numbered 7 out of 25. So that jersey, prime jersey, patch and fight strap. Nice hit for the Oilers. Alright, our booklet is Ryan Spooner. Let's see, numbered out of 50, 19 out of 50. Should be prime jersey. I guess they're all out of 50. I thought they were at 99 for some reason. Alright, we got jersey on one side, auto on the other. Ice level booklet, Spooner for the Bruins. Got a Richard Panik, rookie auto patch, 30 out of 299 for the Lightning. Awesome one color white patch. And the last card, Mikhail Grabovski auto patches, card number 79. Might be for the Caps. I'm guessing it's still for the Leafs. I'll check the checklist, and I'll let you guys know. Alright, thanks for watching.